Uganda Independence Day, celebrated on October 9th, marks the nation's freedom from colonial rule in 1962. As a South Sudanese vlogger, I am proud to honor Ugandans' brave journey to independence and its important role in East Africa. Join me as we celebrate this day of unity, culture, and freedom.
Food is cheap in Uganda.
I mean now.
Yeah.
I mean as of now.
As of now.
As of now.
Ugandans are cultivating. They are good in agriculture.
No, we are not talking
We are
about.
good in
Yes,
agriculture.
their food is there.
It is German when?
We are good in agriculture.
South Sudan.
South Sudan?
Yeah.
We know to dig. We know to dig.
Yes.
we
Uganda
know
is
to
doing
dig, we know
good.
to-
Uganda is doing good, right?
We know to keep.
Guys, they are complaining that there is no food, but to be honest, my experience in
agriculture
Uganda,
is good. There's food.
Uganda are doing good. Uganda have food.
Without-